If you're looking for a functional, compact SUV with reliability and safety for your whole family, then take a look at this 2024 Jeep Compass Sport in Sting Gray. With LED headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and crosspath detection, rear window wiper and washer, front bucket seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 6,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, SELEC-TERRAIN system, split folding rear seats, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number P90100.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.